Paris, France, the City of Lights, the hub of innovation, and this year the epicenter for the biggest engineering awards of 2025. Welcome to the 30th edition of the International Research Awards on Civil and Environmental Engineering. Picture this: brilliant minds from every corner of the globe coming together to celebrate breakthroughs that shape our world. Whether you're tuning in virtually or walking the iconic Parisian streets, this hybrid event is designed for you. The brains behind it all? Science Father, one of the top research organizations dedicated to pushing science and innovation to new heights. They're not just hosting an event, they're building a platform for real impact. Here's what you can expect. Over 1,000 award winners have already been recognized for their outstanding contributions. This year, 20+ research awards and 3+ conference awards are up for grabs, shining a spotlight on those who redefine civil and environmental engineering. But it's not just about awards. With 50+ editorial members reviewing every submission, each paper meets the highest standards, ensuring only the best research gets recognized. And thanks to the support of 10+ leading sponsors, the event just keeps getting bigger and better. Want to be in the spotlight? The Apply Award feature lets you nominate yourself or a colleague. Just submit a CV and your top published article. It's your chance to put your mark on the future of engineering. So, engineers, mark your calendars for October 27th and 28th, 2025. Meet pioneers, explore Paris, and be part of a global celebration of innovation. This is where excellence meets recognition. See you in Paris.